Hey, good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning. This is Macro Meow for some macro nuggets. Last night, Fed had a decision on interest rates, and let's see what is the headlines for today. So we had a Fed decision, and Fed raised rates by 25 basis point, but Fed drops some hawkish rhetoric. Dollar is down broadly. The Fed raised its benchmark funds rate by 25 basis points as expected, but dropped language about ongoing increases in favor of some additional raises. The Bank of America lowers peak interest rate forecast to 5.25. Currently, the rate is 4.75 to 5. So basically, they're expecting one more 25 basis point hike, then they will hold it, or they can even drop it, depending upon the how the banking turmoil unfolds. Gold is gaining because Fed is saying they could be pausing the rate hikes at the next one. But the devil was in detail. Basically, the Fed meeting has given rise to a narrative that there are going to be more financial and economic uncertainty, but less Fed rate hikes. So this has created an uncertainty in the minds of investors. So Reuters says the precious metal investors who are sitting on the sidelines could get in and buy more because precious metals like gold generally do well during the uncertain period. The dollar index fell quite a bit after the Fed rate decision because, you know, the expectation on further hikes are reduced right now. So, in this context, see, but why will Fed not drop the rates if there is going to be economic and financial trouble? Because the geopolitical conditions, such as the war in Ukraine, does not help the supply side, the supply of commodities, the supply of energy, the supply of food items are going to be constrained. That will keep the inflation high. Therefore, the Fed cannot risk going back to negative rates and lower interest rates. So this is the macro narrative that is developing. There's going to be more economic uncertainty and slower growth, but Fed won't be able to drop the rates drastically because of the geopolitical conditions. For example, if you see the Russia's Medvedev says West does not like Russia and China's independence. So coming decades will not be quiet. That basically means there's going to be a lot of geopolitical issues that is going to stop or create problem for energy, commodity, and food supplies. So in this context, let's see how the markets are reacting. So let's go to the market and see what is going on with the market. Here, if you see the benchmark 10-year government bond rates has fallen from 7.355 to 7.3332. after the Fed decision. So if you see the precious metal gold, it's on the move, up move. So let's see what's going on with the Bitcoin. Bitcoin has fallen overnight, and it's still consolidating. Then let's see what's going on with our Nifty. Nifty is initially it went down in line with many Asian markets because there is an uncertainty on growth and recession, and markets are expecting that with rates not coming down when there is going to be a slowdown, probably markets were nervous and it went down. But there is also a view that emerging markets will do better than the developed markets because the growth dynamics are better here. Therefore, it's going back out and it's still consolidating at yesterday's level. So I hope by end of day, it will likely move up and go towards 17,800 or so. So let's hope market continues to move up. Thanks for being with me. Bye. Until next time.